Now let's review the Code Library Manager. Notice that there is a predefined global features, and we see global features in Edit, and we see how the attribute name and description that we have already loaded are there. I could delete or edit this name A. We could also import a text file, and that's what we're going to do, because we already have a code library created. Obviously, it's something that allows users to quickly find their codes, and they can edit them at any time. So I'm going to choose that code library, which is the active one. And when I go to measurement, moving forward, a little need to perform the measurement, and I go to what would be the code, I directly see all the codes that we have preloaded. Okay, in this way we can also go to measure and draw. And notice that very easily on the left side, I can quickly select what I need. With this, the surveying professional will no longer need to remember the 4 letters of the code, but will be able to select it directly here. Even though multiple selection of codes is available, because that is also possible to use, but we will see it in a later video. In this way, we have already configured the code library, where we already had a default one, and we have imported a text file. The link to enter or download that file will be in the description of the app. See you in the next video.